Period. Period. Sorry.
Welcome back to my channel, you know what I'm saying, gang.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling well.
Welcome back to my channel. I am Kashia, Jabre, and today I'm going to be just giving you guys this get ready with me. I'm not really going to be talking or explaining the products that I'm going to be using on my face. The main focus of this video is going to be this hair. This hair is sponsored by Elfin, so I'm just going to be showing you guys basically how I got my hair like this and everything that I did. So if you guys are interested to see all of that, then I just advise you guys to keep watching. But if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to thumbs this video up. And also comment down below, tell me what you guys want to see next, and tell me y'all thoughts on this hair and all that good stuff. And also subscribe to my channel because my cash baby's lit. I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you can be lit too. And that's on period. But we just gonna stop rambling and we gonna hop right into this video.
Forever coming first and I don't see these niggas last. Corners on me blowing, baby boy, you ain't flash. Yellow bit, yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey saying I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now they can choosing one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, ay, yeah, you knew that, ay. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey saying I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now they can choosing one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Couple hundreds, and my dash and was broke, but now I'm up and that's forever in the past tense. Came in with a front and damn right, a nigga smashing. Brought so many kush, you would've thought a nigga adding. 3 from in a rush and damn right, a nigga gassing. Touch the supercharger, now I had to put the gas in. Forever coming first and I don't see these niggas last. Corners on me blowing, baby boy, you ain't flash. Yellow bit, yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey saying I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now they can choosing one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, ay, yeah, you knew that, ay. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey saying I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now they can choosing one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Couple hundreds, and my dash and was broke, but now I'm up and that's forever in the past tense. Came in with a front and damn right, a nigga smashing. Brought so many kush, you would've thought a nigga adding. 3 from in a rush and damn right, a nigga gassing. Touch the supercharger, now I had to put the gas in. Forever coming first and I don't see these niggas last. Corners on me blowing, baby boy, you ain't flash. Yellow bit, yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey saying I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters the frozen one. But you knew that, ay, yeah, you knew that, ay. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey sound, I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now making a chosen one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Couple hundreds, and my dash and was broke, but now I'm up and that's forever in the past tense. Came in with a front and damn right, a nigga smashing. Brought so many kush, you would've thought a nigga adding. 3 from in a rush and damn right, a nigga gassing. Touch the supercharger, and I ain't had to put the gas in. Forever coming first and I don't see these niggas last. Corners on me blinding, baby boy, you out here flash. Yellow stick, yellow everything. I put diamonds on my wrist, fuck a wedding ring. Hokey sound, I'm the one. Deer on my bitch, I feel myself in St. Laurent. Haters motivated, now making a chosen one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, ay, yeah, you knew that. Ay. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that.
Okay, so we're just gonna talk about this hair first and foremost. This hair is from a company named Elfin hair. They sent me this unit, the 13x6 frontal unit, and it is in the texture loose curly. I think it's something like that. Loose I'll put it on the screen if I mess it up, but I believe that it's loose curly, if I'm not mistaken. But this is what the hair looks like once it's all dry and stuff. I did my hair yesterday, but I just been wrapping it up in a bun. That's how I slept. So this is what the hair looks like with nothing on it. I haven't put any products on it since graduation. Graduation was probably maybe like 4 days ago. So pretty much this is what the hair looks like in its raw state. I really like the hair. They sent me transparent lace, but the lady who did my hair, she bleached knots and also plucked the frontal. But I did notice that when I did get the frontal was already plucked. And I'm not talking about like plucked like a little pluck. No, they plucked the frontal. Like, it looked really good. But the lady that I went over it and still put baby hairs and plucked it a little bit more. But y'all, the frontal was already plucked to perfection. I really like it. I don't know what I want to do today. Do I want to put this hair up? I don't know yet. Let me see. Oh, that'd be cute. Okay, so we're gonna put the hair up today. Yeah, so basically I'm just parting the hair off. And also, this wig is a really good wig. Not only did I say that, but the lady who did my hair said it also. It came with 2 bands. The bands had like adjustable little strap thingies for your head, and also it had combs in there. And she was like, this is a really good wig. And she was like, watch when people see it, they're gonna want this wig. And yeah, it was constructed really nice, as you guys can see. I'm about to go get a hot comb so that we can flick this up and put this up in a ponytail, but I'm gonna be right back because I'm about to go get that. And period. Sorry. So to get started, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna section the rest of my hair off. Then what I'm gonna do is just let this down. I'm gonna start off by combing the hair backwards, just so that the hot comb don't have to do all of the work. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hot comb and hot comb the hair like I would be doing a ponytail.
bitch, I feel myself in Saint Laurent. Haters motivated, now making the chosen one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray this entire section. And then I'm gonna take my comb and just mold the hair the way that the ponytail is gonna be. Because you want it to look flat as possible so that it mimics real hair, if that makes sense. So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, trying to cover up that part as much as I can. I'm gonna take 2 elastics, then I'm gonna make sure that the hair is still smooth and everything is still in place. Then I'm just gonna put this into a ponytail.
Haters motivated, now making the chosen one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that.
I'm just going to do the little pull thingy that I always do, even with my real hair. I put my hair in a ponytail, and it's pretty flat right now, but I wanted to make sure that it's even flatter, so I'm going to spray some more Got To Be. Take my comb and comb it backwards. And I'm also going to take my hot comb and just lay it over everything. Okay, so now that that is that, we can go ahead and take down the rest of our hair and just play with it with our hands. I kind of like the way that the hair is right now, meaning the texture of the hair, but I think I want to calm it down a little bit, so I'm just going to spray some water all over it just to make sure everything is not too out, because I don't want my hair to take over my face and my makeup. So I'm just going to spray my hair lightly with some water, and yeah. All I'm doing is just running my fingers through the hair while I am spraying water on it, just so that when it dries, it'll give me that same, you know, flowy look, but I don't want it extremely defined, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna do the other side, and I'm gonna be back. So what I like to do is just spray a little bit. I mean, not spray, because this definitely is not a spray, but just put a good little amount of foam around the hairline, not directly onto my makeup though, because that'll mess stuff up. So I do that. I'm take my little edge toothbrush I got from the hair store, and then we're just gonna swoop these bad boys just like I would my natural baby hairs. Nothing too special.
I feel myself in Saint Laurent. Haters motivated, now making the chosen one. Rolling came in plenty when they caught the frozen one. But you knew that, yeah, you knew that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that. Shitting on these niggas, I ain't even have to do that.
And then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of Got To Be gel, and then I'm just gonna go on the hairline and just make sure that it's laying flat. And if I have to around my edges, I really don't like to use Got To Be on my frontal baby hairs, but if they're not doing what I want them to do, I will add just a little bit, y'all. Do not OD with Got To Be gel on your frontal baby hairs, because it's just gonna make them look bad in the long run. So I wouldn't advise anyone to do that. And if I have any makeup around my hairline where, you know, the foam and the gel or whatever has mixed, I just take a makeup wipe and I just dab around the area. Do not swipe, because that's going to create a whole part where you can see where you did that at, so don't do that. Okay, so where I went back and I added a bigger hair tie on top of the smaller elastic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of hair from the back and I'm just gonna wrap this around to cover the band. And just to make sure everything is nice and laid, just gonna take some more of that and just go with my comb and make sure everything is in place. I probably would just play with the hair a little bit more, make sure that I like it. But I'm about to go put on some clothes and then I'm gonna be back and probably show you guys, you know, what I'm putting on. The fit that I decided to put on, I think I look really cute, like super cute. It's so important, ladies, to hype yourself up. Get in the mirror and tell yourself that you look cute, period. But I got this shirt from H&M and I think I got these pants from Marshalls or Ross, if I'm not mistaken, one or the other. And then I got on these heels that I bought for graduation just so I can get a wear out of them. You know, I just didn't want to buy no shoes and I can't take them back, so I was just like, bump it, I'm just gonna put them on today. Then I got this bag, honey, look at this bag, period. I got this bag from Michael Kors, and yeah, so this is what I decided to put on. But I'm gonna flip the camera and give y'all a good little outro. So okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to thumbs this video up and also comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoy filming it. And yeah, like it, comment, and also subscribe to my channel because my Cash Baby's lit, okay? I'm lit, and if you subscribe, then you could be lit too, period. Of course, all the details on this hair is going to be listed below. I'm going to see you guys in the next video, and I love all of you, and I'm out of here.